everybody. Hi, so happy you're here. Welcome. If you're returning, I so appreciate the support. Thank you so much. If you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt's a white puppy dog. Zena's here too. She's the brown puppy dog. We do subscription box unboxing, shopping hauls out for the day, and I do try to mix it up with so much more. So please hit that subscribe and hang out with us. For today, I have a limited edition Wantable unboxing. This one is the Sleep and Body winter sale. So they had a winter sale box for all of their edits. So they have 3 edits if you are new to Wantable. They have the style edit, the active edit, and the sleep and body, which is their newest edit to the collection. The style edit is your typical subscription box edit that your box that you're probably used to everyday wear, work wear, weekend wear. The active edit is more lounge and workout wear, and then the sleep and body edit, which is what I'm going to share with you now, is more for undies, sleep pajamas, robes, intimates, that kind of fun stuff. And you can personalize it to what you would like. So if you'd like more lingerie, you can ask for that. If you'd like more loungy wear, pajamas, you can ask for that. Whichever you like, they will follow your preferences. There is a $20 styling fee. You get 7 items. If you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off. And yes, I have a discount code for you. If you use my link, you'll get $35 towards your first box. But let's dig right into this box. The way that they had set this up, it was you would get half sale items and half new items. So I'm excited to see what is in my limited edition winter sale box. Right inside the box, you're going to see that there's instructions on the flap, so no worries about what to do. And then notice that my sticker is personalized. I love that. All right, there should also be right on top a pamphlet that'll have notes from your stylist as well as a pricing sheet, and then envelopes for return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. And I think that I'm going to dump mine out and look at this bundle. We're just going to dump it upside down. Oh, this looks interesting. I see cozies. Check this out. Things are falling out. Here's the other side. Looks like I've got cozy slippers here. So slipper socks. And I see color. All right, so we're going to dig right in. The first item is these slipper socks. Check those out with the grippers. Can you see those? They have like, I don't know if you can see them. They're kind of clear, but they're actually those grippers. Yeah, maybe not. You can see them. Love those. These are called the Heavyweight Cozy Sock in Leopard White. Love this. This is so soft. All right, that's the first item. Next up, there's so much here. It all wants to just fall right out. All right. Next up, what is this? Is this a blanket? I think it is. Check this out. Look how pretty that plum color is. So this is a super soft brushed French terry cuddle wrap in burgundy. Check that out. And it seems very large. It is very soft. All right, so we still have more to go. So I'll hold that up whenever I stand up. That looks very large. I'm curious to see. So 1, 2, 3 out of my 7 items were on sale, and this is the only item that I actually requested. All right. So that's good. They kind of, I mean, it's 7 items, so they did try to do half of them on sale. Next up, what is this? This is something from Project Social Tee. This is a super soft sweatshirt in a mauve color. Let me see if I can hold it up for you. Kind of a really light purpley mauve color, I guess we'll just say. Dusty purple. Let's see what color they're calling it. They're calling it dried lavender. Okay, and it looks like I have matching pants to go with it. How cute is that? These are very soft. You can see they're a lighter weight. You could sleep in these quite easily, which is what I would do. No pockets. There's no pockets. All right, next. This is by Mina Lisa. I feel like I got, yeah, these are sweater pants. So I think I got like the cropped pullover and the shorts. Now these are the pant version, which I would be more likely to wear, but they're basically a sweater pant. All right. And then what is this? This looks very cozy. This looks like a robe. What do you think, Zena? Is this a robe? This is by Hem and Thread. And it is a solid Sherpa lounge jacket. All right, that sounds lovely. Check this out in this black. It's thick, it's cozy, it's got the banded wrist here. I was looking to see if it had thumb holes, but no. Pockets in the front. Very, very cozy. All right, and I have one more thing here. What is this? This is by Splendid, and it is a two-piece set. I do like Splendid. This is a sweatshirt top, very soft. I like this little, it's a camo. Check out the little leaves in there. Istina wants to leave us. You want to say hi before you leave us? Very soft, banded wrist, and matching pants. No pockets in the back. Just has the elastic at the ankle. And no pockets in these as well either. And that's all 7 pieces. So let's get to this try on and see what works. First outfit, I want the matching set. This one has the little white ties, and then it's this dried lavender, they're calling it. And it has the matching sweatshirt to go with it. And I put on the cute little socks too. So here's a closer look at the fabric and the color. It is very, very comfy. I would totally wear this as pajamas only, and I would never leave the house in this because the material is just too thin. So this is just something that I would always just wear as jammies and being at home. But it is very, very comfortable and be great, great, great for jammies. So I also want to back up and show you the socks. So here's these cute little socks. They do come up pretty high, as you can see. And the pants have the elastic at the ankle, so not like a true jogger. And they are loose. So they're loose, nothing too restrictive, and they are cute. But they're a thin material. You know, I think that they are cozy, and I like the fact that they're a nice, easy go-to if you just wanted to grab something to lounge around the house or to sleep in. And this set is $68 for the pants, $58 for the top. These are not on sale. $28 for the little socks. None of these were sale items. Again, here's a little closer look. Pants are exactly the same fabric as the top. I don't think they'd be very forgiving, as you can see, for like lumps and bumps. Another reason why these would not be a go-to for me for out and about. All right, let's do another outfit. Okay, next up is the Sanctuary PJ set. Now, this one, completely different than the PJ Salvage one. So Yeah, Project Social Tea. Sorry, Project Social Tea was this lavender one. This one, so much more forgiving. Doesn't show lumps and bumps. This one I would totally be, I would still not wear this out of the house. This is still a PJ set. But so much more comfortable. Like I feel better in this one by far. Like that one actually made me a little bit uncomfortable. I like the, it has comfy elastic at the bottom. I actually like the print on this. It's a cute little camo. Has the banded wrist here and the banded bottom, you can see. Did a little bit of a front tuck so you could see the tie. I actually like that the tie here matches the waistband of the pant. The material is incredibly comfortable and it's a little bit thicker, which I like because I tend to run cold all the time. Love this fun pattern in it. It's a great camo. Not typical. I love the leaves in here. Yeah, this one I like so much better. So much better. Now this one is actually on sale. So this is a set. So both pieces, so much cheaper than the lavender one. Both pieces $78, but it's on sale for 50% off. So it's $39 for both. Both. So much better, right? And I feel better in it. All right, now I did not talk to you about these pants. I can't try these on for you. I actually tried, but for some reason, this part of the leg is too small and I can't even pull it up onto over my calf, really. I can't pull it the whole way onto my leg. I didn't think I had large calves, but apparently they are too large for this tiny, tiny opening. So I could not try these on for you. And these are a no for me. These are on sale. They're called the Feather Knit Legging in Cocoa by Mina Lisa. $64 is the regular price, $32 if I could get them on and wanted to keep them. But they are a no for me. All right, so we're going to try this wrap next, which I would love. So if I had these jammies on and I wanted to grab an extra layer, this wrap could be an option. You use it as a blanket. You can see how big it is. Or use it as a wrap. So here, that's how big it is. So you could use it as a blanket. You could use it as a wrap. Bring it up a little bit. And just wrap yourself up. It's thin enough that you can kind of play around with it, which I like. Big enough to be a blanket. Thin enough that you can kind of play with it and make it a little wrap for yourself. So that's really nice too. Just wrap yourself up and get comfortable and cozy. So I'm kind of like this one. I like the color too. The purple is really pretty. This would be great for days at home, this whole outfit. This one is also on sale. The Brushed French Terry Cuddle Wrap in Burgundy, $42 is the regular price. It's on sale for $21. I'm kind of liking this. I'll show you how long it is again if I just leave it down. It's long, right? Fully wrap yourself up in it. And then the last item I need to share with you is going to be this fun, cozy jacket. So let's get to that. This one is by, who's this one by? Hem and Thread. This is another one that you could easily throw on if I need to take the dogs outside, if I'm just really, really cold, which does happen. It is oversized, covers my whole bum. It does have pockets. And this one is it's one size. So this is a one size. So I was wondering if it was extra small or how it fits. So it's a one size. You can see how this, basically just a cozy layer. It does have the hood. And this one is $64. It is not one of the sale items. Here's what it looks like closer up. So this is very cozy. It's already warming me up pretty quickly here. Very nice cozy layer over jammies. Here's what this looks like out, just so you could see that. And that's all my pieces. What did you think? Everything, all 7 items were actually not bad considering what they are. $310 for everything. And if I buy it all, you get 20% off, but you only have to keep 5 out of the 7 to still get 20% off. $62, taking it down to $248 minus my $20 styling credits to $228 for everything if I kept it all. I'm not leaning towards doing that. So, but I do like quite a few of these things. Now, obviously, I can't keep these. They don't fit, so they have to go back. They were a sale item. And then I had these 2, which I thought were really pricey, and I'm not loving them. Now, if I were to keep one, it would have to be the sweatshirt, I think, because the pants, I think, are just too thin and are kind of unforgiving on the bum. So I would probably just potentially return these pants and these pants and maybe keep everything else for the discount. Otherwise, I would definitely return all 3 and see what makes more sense budget-wise. Because otherwise, I really liked this set. I think it's totally worth keeping. I actually think the blanket wrap is totally worth keeping. I love the little socks, and I asked for them, so I'm thinking those are worth keeping, so I'm at 3. So then it just comes down to how badly do I want this little wrap. For this one was not on sale, right? No, $64. So if I decide not to keep this, then I think I'll just go with the 3 I mentioned. But I'll list everything down below in case you want to request any of them from your stylist. I'll put my link, as I mentioned in the beginning, down below as well, because if you want to give any of the style edits from Wantable a try and use my link, you'll get $35 off your first box. They also do the fun themed edits just like this one, which was the sale edit, so keep a watch out for those. Thanks for spending time with me today, and please hit that like if you enjoyed it. Would love you to hang out with us and hit that subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.